Darling Vicky here with you, and I'm here for day number 26 of 30 inks 30 days. And today the ink is Monteverde Purple Rain. And what better pen to use than the Esterbrook. This is the Nouveau Premier, the 2018 spring edition, and it's called Purple Rain. So I thought it was just perfect combo. This is a pen I purchased from my friend Amanda, and I couldn't believe that she was willing to let it go because it's just so gorgeous. And I'd been eyeing one on Instagram for a long time, so I was super pleased when she said, because I saw one in one of my Facebook group that was for sale, and so I mentioned, and I didn't really know Edison pens, because I didn't have any, and I didn't know anybody that could tell me whether they were good or not. So when I asked in a group, Amanda mentioned that she had it and she'd be willing to sell it. So I was really pleased. And what's wrong with this? Why won't it pick up the ink? Sometimes it just takes a while for the feed to pick it up. Ah, there we go. I'm trying not to get all my pen like ink, like the ink on the where the grip section where I'm gonna hold it, because that's how I end up with inky ends. I don't have a super big fill, but that's okay because we're getting to the end of the month, and as I've mentioned before, I would like to be able to play with other stuff than purple inks for the next 3 months. So that's why I'm not too worried that I'm not getting a full feed on it. It's still gonna be enough to be able to play with it and enjoy, because I have quite a lot of pens because I was so behind in my pen paling and stuff. So I'm very behind, and so because I'm so behind, I haven't been using my pen much. So I have quite a lot of purple pens still to go through. So let's do the splotches, and hopefully I won't do like yesterday and have, okay, well, I didn't do like yesterday, but I hardly have any. And watch it, that is going to be the, like, because I wanted at least a big splotch, because that's the only place where I usually see the sheen, if there is some. So put that aside, and then let's use our brush and just put some here and put that aside to dry while we do the writing. So this is my first time using this pen since I got it, which has been really hard because I got all of these special purple pens throughout the summer, and then I had to wait until now to use them. So this is Monteverde Purple Rain, and I just thought it was the perfect color for this pen. Not only because of the name, but also just the color is just perfect. And this is an Edison. It's an Nouveau Premiere 2018 Spring Purple. And oops, I'm misspelling. That pen just writes so beautifully. It's just perfect. So it's a beautiful color. I don't see any sheen on this or any shading. On the card I had a little bit of black, but hardly any. Let's look at the splotches. You can see like there's hardly anything. Just a little bit of darker edge, but I mean really not that much. And this is the chromatography. So again, like a lot of our purples, some pink, and then a tiny little bit of blue at the top. So that is it for today. I hope that you've enjoyed. There's not that many days left. Wow, it just goes by so fast. I can't wait to share with you the next one. It should be a good one as well to play with. So love you guys. See you soon. Bye.